Good morning, students. My name is Sumit Agrawal, and before starting a topic, I'll draw an image here. So tell me what it is. I am drawing an image like this. This is basically called what? Tell me. Tell me what it is. So for your knowledge, this is not a ball or not a football. Simply, it is what? It is a circle. Simply, it is what? It is a circle. So our today's topic it is circle. So give me some examples of circle which we use in our daily life. Give me some examples of circle which we use in our daily life. What are the examples? Like what? Like wheel. Like what? Keyring. Like clock. Like what? Bangles. Wheels, keyring, clock, bangles, and some other example. If you know, please tell some other example if you know. Like what? Like shirts button of the shirts. These are what? These are the examples of circle. So we understand now that what is circle. But according to mathematical point of view, what is a circle? According to mathematics, this is the general that circle is this. But according to mathematical point of view, what is a circle? Define circle, what it is. Define circle, what it is. So it is what? It is collection of all points which are at fixed distance from the fixed point in a plane surface. Means what? Means collection of all points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane surface is called what? Is called circle. So what is what? What is fixed point and what is fixed distance? So this fixed point is known as what? This fixed point is known as the center of the circle. Center of the circle means what? Like suppose this is the circle. This is what? Like suppose this is the circle. So center of the point means what? This point. From where we draw what? A circle. So this is the fixed point. So fixed point is known as what? Center of circle. This be denoted by O. Now the fixed distance is what? Fixed distance is what? Fixed distance is called as what? Is called as line segments. Is called as what? Is called as line segment. Means what? I'm is a line segment. Line segment which is measurable and which has two endpoints. Line segment is what? Is measurable and has two endpoints like this. O, and this is what? It is up to this point. Fixed distance is what? It is a line segment which is measurable and which has two endpoints like O and P. This is a what? This is line segment which is measurable and it is what? It is a point on the circumference of the circle. It is what? It is a point on the circumference of the circle. This is the line segment, and this line segment is also known by other name called what? Other name called what? Radius of circle. So radius of circle means what? Radius of circle means join called what? Joins the line through the center of the circle from any point given on the circumference. Radius is what? Radius of the circle is what? Joining joining any line from the center to the any point on circumference. Means, like, suppose this is the point on circumference, so from the center we join this like this. This is the point on circumference, so from center we join this. This is the point on circumference, like, suppose, so from center we join this. So this is what? This is the radius of circle. This is what? Radius of circle. And this is what? Line segment. Line segment is what? Having two endpoints which are measurable. Like, suppose the question arises, draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. So it is measurable, na? It is measurable, 5 centimeter. Line segment is of what? 5 centimeter. So it is measurable by the ruler or by anything else. Okay, na? By the ruler or by anything else. 1 minute, students. By the ruler or by anything else, it is measurable. Okay, this line segment, and basically this is called what? The radius of the circle, because from the center till to the point on the circumference. So this is what? Radius of the circle. Like, suppose if in a question it is given that draw a circle having a radius of 3 centimeter. So first we have to measure this 3 centimeter. First we have to measure this 3 centimeter, and after that we draw what? A circle from the with the help of what? With the help of compass. So radius of the circle you understood, line segment you understood, and the circle definition you also understood. Okay? Now the other point is what? Now the other point is, I am explaining here. Suppose I draw another circle. Suppose I draw this other circle, and in this I draw a line which has two endpoints like Q and P. So what we call this line? This line is what? This line is not the radius, because radius is what? Radius is joining the line from the center, joining the line what? Joining any line from the center to the any point on the circumference. But here this is not the line with joining from the center. It has two endpoints, P and Q. So P and Q. So basically it is the line segment, but it is what? It is the line segment because it has two endpoints and it is measurable also. But the other name of it is what? It is a chord. It is chord. So what is chord? Now tell me, what is chord? Anyone who can tell me that what is chord? Sorry, students. Sorry, students. 1 minute. Anyone tell me that what is chord? Tell, what is chord? Chord is what? Chord is any point on the circle. Any 2 points on the circle. Suppose if this is not the chord, so I'll draw this. This is the chord. If this is not the chord, I'll draw this. This is the chord. If this is not the chord, then I'll draw this. This is the chord. ठीक है ना? So any 2 points on the circle is called what? A chord. And the largest or the biggest chord is of the circle is what? Is called what? Now I'm drawing the base. This is, suppose this is a circle. It is not like circle, but suppose I'm explaining the concept. So biggest chord of the circle is what? Biggest chord of the circle is known as what? Is known as the diameter, which passes through the center of the circle. So this is what? It is diameter because it passes through the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle, and from this center at any point on the circumference is called what? Half is radius. This is radius, and this full is what? Diameter. So the formula which we learn from this circle is diameter equals to what? 2 multiplied by r, means it double the radius. If suppose the radius here is what? 1, and here the radius is what? 1. So in total radius is what? So in total diameter is what? 2 na. So if we kept the value of radius here 1, so what it is? 2 ones are 2. So diameter is what? Double the radius. And the radius is what? Radius is half the diameter. If suppose diameter here is what? 1 and 1, 2. So we put 2 here, and the denominator also having 2. So we cut both and 1. So remainder is what? Remainder not. Radius is what? Radius is 1. So understand na what it is? Diameter is double the radius, and radius is what? Half of the diameter. This. This is all for today, students. Next we continue afterwards, and thank you students for watching this video. Thank you.